afternoon. Tinginan sila. And we are here at Oyong's birthplace.
Yeah, place.
Playa. Ayan, dito kami sa tabing dagat. And today I just have to grab the opportunity. Nandito yung mga matatalino sa amin, and sila po yung kumuha ng course na education sa aming lahat. Oo. And today I'm gonna test their, ano matawag doon? Spontaneously.
Spontaneity. Spontaneity.
Di ba na-correction na ako?
Yes.
Aga-aga pa.
Their communication skills.
Sa maning area.
Yeah, that's it.
An mangko HRA, mangko luto rako. So bago lahat, ipapakilala muna natin. 2005 M-Top champion.
Wow.
2003 Miss or Quiz B. Runner up. Ayan. Actually, kilala nyo na sila. Nakita nyo sa mga vlog namin. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Marichoy, aka Melmar Ladrera, with 24 medals during his graduation in high school. And ayoko nang magsalita pa. Ang dami niyang awards. And our second contender is Miss Gandang Becky Blaga.
Clapper.
Our teacher na siya ngayon actually, at ito pa niya yung dream niya. Ladies and gentlemen, Ewa aka
Yeah.
Dehanes Hamis or Dahanes?
Danis Hamis.
Pinuko sa
Yeah.
area. Uy. Mantain
Not a
lang.
teacher, I mean a would-be teacher.
So hindi naman siya ano ngayon. You can answer it in any language except Bisaya kasi yung mga viewers natin are mostly Tagalog and English. So magbibigyan lang ako ng mga questions sa Q&A dati nila madam. And you're gonna answer it on your own way. Ayan. So Melmar muna. Kung hahamunin kita sa suntukan, sa tingin mo anong mangyayari?
You're gonna see stars. Stars around your head kasi ako ang mananalo.
Sigurado ka? Parang malaki ito. Okay, let's have Miss Ewa. Madalas akong mapagkamalang bakla. Paano mo ako ipagtatanggol?
Problema mo na yan.
Kasi ikaw na pagkamalan.
Kasi
Hindi ako.
ikaw yung mapagkamalan, hindi ako.
Yun lang yung mga sagot nila.
Yes.
Tingnan mo yung sagot ni ano ha. Doon sa tanong ni Melmar ha. Definitely matatalo po ako, but after that I will stand tall and be proud of myself. Because you challenging me to fight with you is likewise the same as every day that I am experiencing people challenging my individuality and sexuality.
It's her opinion.
Kinoko. Kay Melmar, sa Miss Universe pageant, may makakalaban ba akong taga-ibang planeta?
Wala. Kasi they are representing countries and
Nag-vlog man mi, unsa man mo?
Goodness.
Hi, Diva!
Nag-vlog man mi.
Hi, Denny!
Unsa?
vlog war.
Because they are representing.
Their specific countries. Miss Universe is just a title claiming the Earth, claiming that our Earth is the spearhead or the mother planet on the universe. That's what Miss Universe.
Naku, talunin mo yun, Miss Ewa. Kung hindi kami magkakatuluyan ni Yael ng Sponge Cola, pwede bang maging kami ni SpongeBob?
No, because SpongeBob is just a cartoon character. Yeah.
Maganda yung laban ngayon na. To Melmar, pwede ba akong mag-fasting bago mag-fast talk?
Yes, of course. Fasting is applicable in all time as long as you have a courage to do fasting before fast talking.
Kinuko, grabe. Kito Miss Ewa, kung nakasakay ka sa MRT, safe bang humawak ka sa hikaw ko?
No, because your ears is fragile.
Kinuko.
Yeah.
Short but concise. To Melmar, ano ang bad trip? Maudlot, hatching or hikab?
Hiccup. Kasi ang hatching is pwede siyang bumalik, pero yung hiccup is hindi na kasi that is a sign that your body needs to rest.
Yeah. Okay, Miss Ewa, sa MTRCB ratings, kung may rated G, PG at SPG, bakit walang rated K?
Because Rated K is just it's a program hosted by Corina Sanchez. Am I right?
Yan,
Okay.
sa area. To Melmar, kung bibigyan mo ng direksyon ng pangalan ko, ano? A North Pole Diva or South Pole Diva?
North Pole Diva kasi South Pole I would just want to tawagan ito. to emphasize more. Kasi in North means heaven and South means hell. And we need to be in the North kasi doon tayo nababagay lahat. Lahat ng tao ay doon.
Lami lagi mga question din nga naman na abot gisa ako kay Kuro lagi.
Saan yung area? Okay, to Miss Ewa. Kung magkasama tayo, magagalit ba ang magulang mo kung araw-araw tayong gagabihin?
Hindi.
Why?
Kasi kilala ka nila eh. Friends tayo eh.
Okay, let's take it to another level.
Oh.
Okay, Melmar, mahal mo or mahal ako?
Mahal.
Mahal mo or mahal ka?
Mahal ako. Kasi yung mahal ko doesn't mean na payback yung pagmamahal na binigay ko. Compared to mahal ako, I will be the one na mag-adjust para po suklian yung pagmamahal niya. So doon ako sa mahal ako.
Kito Miss Ewa, ano ang mas masakit? Ang mawala siya ng biglaan o unti-unti kang iiwanan?
Yung bigla siyang mawala. Kasi yung bigla kang iiwanan, mapifeel mo yun eh. Makakamubon ka doon. Yung bigla siyang mawala, sakit yun eh. Kasi magtatanong ka bakit. There's why.
To Melmar, ano ang dahilan para sampalin mo ang isang kaibigan?
Pag lasing siya, I want to slap his or her face para po magising siya kung meron siyang ginawang hindi mabuti. Yun.
Sino yan?
Sino yan?
All.
Okay, to Miss Ewa, ano ang mas ay, tapos na pala. Ano ang pipiliin mo? Life imprisonment o death penalty? Miss Ewa, go.
Life imprisonment. Because life is the best gift. So you have to cherish it. You have to you have to value life. Because, kasi,
Life is...
parang minsan ka lang mabubuhay. Ganoon.
Okay, to Miss Melmar, ano ang pipiliin mo? To be beautiful or to be attractive?
To be attractive. Kasi not all beautiful are attractive, but all attractive are beautiful.
Hala, ginoo ko. Miss Ewa, ano pinakamalaking pagsubok na hinaharap ng kabataan ngayon? Ayan, magandang question to. Sorry, malikot yung camera.
Teenage pregnancy. Because nowadays, children, even if they're 12 years old, they're into watching pornography. So, I think the government should pagtutuunan lang ng pansin, parang ganun, dapat may censorship sa internet. Ganun.
To Melmar, para sa iyo, ano ang pinakamasamang ugali ng tao?
Yung madamot. Kasi I really believe that God made us to be generous, and all humans should be generous in all ways and in all means. Kasi generosity is the best thing that we can offer or we can give as a best gift to others.
Ano yung mga credibility and everything? To Miss Ewa,
Yes.
ano ang pinakamabigat na suliraning hinaharap ng mga magulang ngayon sa Pilipinas?
Disclaimer. With all due respect, yung parang hindi na nadidisiplina yung mga bata. Kasi pag pag napapalo mo lang ng kahit parang yun? Yung parang kunti lang.
Kunti lang.
Parang, okay, good luck. DSWD is watching. Ganon.
So yun yung hinaharap ngayon ng mga
Yes.
parents. Okay, so sa edad mo ngayon, ano ang naiambag mo sa lipunan?
Being a good citizen, we all know kasi that question is a wide question for everyone. So, kung magiging mabuting anak ka, magiging mabuting kaibigan ka, mabuting citizens ka sa lipunan, that would be a great ambag or your what should be the English? Your contribution to your family, to your community, and to the country and to the world as a whole.
Okay, Ewa, kung magkakaanak ka, anong gusto mong mamana niya sa'yo?
Personality, and then yung pagiging yung kultura bilang isang Pinoy, because being a Filipino or yung kultura ng Pilipino appreciated yan around the world. Yung isa yung being hospitable. Ganoon.
O Melmar, ano ang mas nakakatakot, tumandang mag-isa o tumandang walang pera?
Tumandang mag-isa. Kasi not all money can buy the real happiness. Money is panandalian lang eh. And then if you will grow old alone, that would be the greatest failure of your life.
Okay, Ewa, last na yung dalawa, then final, isang question lang kayo. Ano ang pinaka hindi magandang ugali ng karamihan sa iyong mga kababayan?
Yung crab mentality. Kasi yung mga tao kasi parang hindi yung lahat ng tao parang may mga tao kasi na yung may crab mentality sila. Pag pag may umaangat, parang insecure parang hinihila nila pababa. Dapat, inaano yan pinapush mo yan, parang in-encourage mo. Kasi, para pag nasa taas na sila yung mag-a-uplift sa'yo, di ba? Parang tulungan, parang bayanihan. Ganon.
So this is your final question? Pareho lang kayo ng questions. So sino ba mauna? Matupik daw sila. Ay, ikaw.
Ikaw man.
Daog man ko. So ikaw gani. Ildi mo.
Is technology hurting our communication skills?
It's up to you on how to understand that, because nowadays, if you have something to learn, if you have something to gain for even skills or on how to cook or how to cut your hair, it's all available in internet. So just click how to cut hair, then on YouTube, then it will automatically pop up. So you have to just choose on what is the right process on how to cut your hair. So I think it's not hurting. It's on how you will accept or you will understand it.
To Melmar, is technology hurting our communication skills?
No, technology is helpful in many ways. And it depends on the user. It depends on the word how to use. If you will use in the rightful way, then technology will be helpful in all means. Kasi lahat na po ng kailangan natin sa buhay, lahat na po ng kailangan natin malaman yung mga learnings is nasa technology na lang po. Nandun na po lahat ng sa communication, sa learnings, and everything nasa technology na lang po. So depende on how to use the technology. And I am hoping and praying that all the people who are watching this, especially to all the kids and youngsters, to please do use our technology in a proper way.
Ano ko advice? My God.
Ako nag-nosebleed ako dito, kinukaya. Hoy, ikaw sunod. So, that would be the end. And, kayo na mag-comment sa baba, sino yung nanalo sa ating Q&A round ngayon. Naku, nakakaloka. Kakaloka, ang gagaling nila. Teacher versus teacher, my God. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, you gained something from their answers. And hope na, ano ba? It will be helpful naman sa mga daily nating ginagawa. So, thank you, Melmar. Thank you, Awa.
Hi, thank you.
Ang galing talaga, Godzilla versus Kong. Thank you, bye. Mag-comment kayo sino nanalo. Thank you.
Bye.